Super Start batteries, some big batteries. DB Apocalypse 312s, it's looking like. Master Well, Skar audio. Pretty warm day.
Oh, yeah.
Sure, yep, thank you. You want to give me a rundown real quick?
I'm Peyton Johnson. I got 3 DefBox SA2612s on 2 Skar SK V2 2500 strap.
Oh, there's another one underneath.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't even have thought of that. Okay. Strapped, what up? At what?
0.67. Each amp's on 0.33.
Really? Oh my gosh, dude. Did you meter it today?
I did a base box. Did 143.
Okay. Base boxes, was that 30 seconds or?
Yeah, 30 seconds on music.
Okay. What did you start at? Do you know what your peak, where you started, right at the high end?
I started at 35. I need to go a little lower.
Okay, yeah. All right. You said Peyton?
Yeah.
Okay.
with your boy, trying to drink my unborn. Licking on each other, acrobatics with their tongue. You know what? We're gonna be making windshield suffer and buttholes pucker. It's DJ Rusticles.
Dude, that thing flexes. And the amps are doing pretty good without fans or anything at the 0.3? They get warm?
They get warm after about 10 minutes of play.
Okay. But you're not clipping, you know where your limit is?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the key then, yeah. Awesome, man. Appreciate the demo, man. I know you're about to head out, so nice to meet you, man.
You too, man.
How much electrical did you have? These 2 batteries and...
I got them 2 batteries there, and I got a X2 battery up front, stock battery and 0 gauge ran throughout with a 370 out.
Okay. Oh, 370. That's right. Okay. So your voltage is actually doing fairly well still.
I stay between 13.5. It actually got a little lower today for
It
the
did.
heat and
Okay.
all.
Yeah. Yes, sir. All right. Anyway, y'all have a safe drive. Thank you for the quick demo, man.
Oh, thank you.
It's nice to see. Thank you. Let me get a picture real quick. All right. Hey, thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Y'all have a safe drive. Think he's gonna do more? Oh, I might get some outside flex then. Okay.
I try to give you some. I lost all my lows.
Start.
Do your thing. It ain't no clean version. The motherfucking bad guy. I'm sick of it.
Bad service.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.